Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dry dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Open Farm grass-fed beef and ancient grains. Rarely do the words ethically sourced and dog food appear in the same sentence, but Open Farm changes that. The Canadian-based company is committed to sourcing ethical, sustainable, and traceable ingredients, including humanely raised meat, fish, and poultry, which has 2 major benefits. It ensures that pups are getting the best nutrition and lessens negative impacts on the environment. Open Farm kibbles are also free of chemicals, artificial preservatives, and cheap fillers. Acres also likes the brand's easy-to-digest carbohydrates, which she says are ideal for dogs with sensitive stomachs or who are senior. The brand also has grain-free recipes and a wholesome puppy formula for new 4-legged additions. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Merrick limited ingredient recipe. Dr. Nick Horniman, MRCVS, a veterinary surgeon based in the UK and the founder of online pet pharmacy My Pets Vet, explains a lot of pups are allergic or intolerant to poultry such as chicken and turkey. For this reason, he recommends Merrick's grain-free salmon and sweet potato recipe, adding, "It is perfect for dogs with sensitive stomachs." Real deboned salmon tops the natural ingredients list, which is also free from soy, corn, wheat, dairy, eggs, and any artificial additives. Plus, it's suitable for adult dogs of all sizes, but make sure to consult the feeding chart for the best proportions. At number 3, we have the Stella and Chewy's Stella's Super Beef Dinner Patties. Both Aiken and Acres say that freeze-dried raw foods, which are much less processed than kibbles, can be very beneficial to a dog's diet. One of Acres' favorites is Stella and Chewy's Super Beef Dinner Patties. This recipe includes multiple organ meats such as the liver, kidney, heart, tripe, and bone. These are important nutrient-dense ingredients full of vitamin A, magnesium, and the whole B vitamin complex, she says. Plus, Acres says this pick is suitable for pups with food sensitivities. The brand is also great at separating proteins. This means they don't mix chicken livers into their beef recipes and vice versa, she explains. At number 2, we have the Nulo Freestyle Puppy Grain-Free Recipe. Horniman recommends Nulo's puppy formula, which includes at least 80% animal-based protein from real salmon or turkey. The formula includes fruits and vegetables such as carrots, blueberries, and apples, which can make a huge difference when it comes to supporting your puppy's growth and development, he says. The formula also contains several key fatty acids that help support the development of your puppy's brain and eyes. In addition to being grain-free, the Freestyle Puppy formula is also free from poultry and egg in case your pup has sensitivities or allergies. And finally, at number 1, we have the Open Farm grain-free senior dry dog food. For senior dogs, I look for a kibble that is a bit easier to digest. Older dogs don't make as many digestive enzymes as younger dogs, Acres shares. One brand that fits her criteria is Open Farm, whose formulas, like this grain-free one formulated especially for seniors, contains easy-to-digest carbohydrates balanced with a variety of animal proteins. It's also full of 2 types of fatty acids that help with senior dogs, mobility and joint health, as well as several vitamins that support digestion. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.